The Part Reviewer was first introduced in SolidWorks 2012, but with new capabilities, it is now a very useful tool to improve design collaboration and promote better design practices across your team or organization. Using simple arrow buttons, you can cycle through the different steps, see how the part was created feature by feature, and review additional commands. You can also toggle the sketch option to include and step through them as well. It will display all the sketch entities, dimension and sketch relations, along with any comments that might be attached. This is a great way to create learning content or inform others of important design choices. However, if you're only trying to review the latest changes, for example, you should use the Show Feature with Comments Only option to go straight to the next annotated feature. While you navigate through all of the comments of this part, you can review and assess your coworkers' concerns, such as verifying a dimension. You can also leverage this tool to improve and simplify a design or even validate the manufacturability. In this case, one of the engineers is worried that the newly created ribs might prevent this part from being molded. Without closing the Part Reviewer, you can use one of the many SolidWorks evaluation tools to check the draft angles on this part. Exchanging information and sharing feedback is also improved thanks to the timestamp button. It helps when collaborating and communicating with more than one person to keep track of the changes in a clear and concise way. And by turning on the Edit mode, you can quickly modify feature names and comment on the fly directly from the task pane. The Part Reviewer will prove to be a valuable tool to ensure quality and good design practices while offering for others a great review and collaboration tool to more easily make comments and annotate designs.